Alright guys, Dan here from BBQLAND, the UK specialist barbecue retailer in Hertfordshire. Today we're going to be using the Kamado Joe Classic 2 to cook up a paella. So we've got our charcoal in the bottom there. We haven't got that much of it. We've got some leftover charcoal from my last cook, because that's what's one of the benefits of having a ceramic grill. They just burn so efficiently, so you actually save charcoal, so you actually use it in your next cook. So we've got our divide and conquer system dropped down in here. We're going to use our accessory rack, and obviously, of course, a paella pan of some sort. That's going to go on the top like that. So just going to make sure the bottom draft door's right the way open. And we're going to light these up, get this cook started off. So we've got some chicken stock, we've got some paella rice, we've got some frozen peas, we've got some chorizo sausage and chicken thigh, we've got some salt, we've got some olive oil, we've got some baby tomatoes, we've got cut up diced pepper, we've got some garlic, we've got some onions and some saffron. So like I say, all the quantities will be in the description below, so go grab them. Get our paella pan on. Right, now we're heated. We're going to go in with a good amount of olive oil. And then go with our chorizo and chicken. Now we're just going to move everything to the outside of the pan. Go with our onions. Our peppers, our tomatoes, our garlic, stir that up. So if you feel like you want it a little bit hotter, all you can do is just literally drop the accessory rack down, apply the pan down in the bottom, and immediately you can hear the change in that sizzle. And you can do the vice versa. If you find it getting a bit too hot, just lift it up and everything's good. Right at this stage, give it a good season of salt. We're just going to fry these down. Right, now what we want to do, add our rice. Mix that through. And then add some of our stock. I'm going to still keep some of the stock behind, just so we can top it up as and when. Right, we're just going to give this a little bit of a move around, just to make sure all the rice is distributed nicely. And also with a nice big pinch of saffron. Mix that in. Just like so. We're going to bring that to a simmer, and then what I'll probably do once it's at a simmer, I'll raise the pan in the higher position, then we can just sort of shut the lid and let the rice cook. So now we're up to a simmer. Just going to lift it to the top position. Go back on. We're going to shut the dome. Just allow it to cook. We're going to give it around about 15 minutes and we're going to check it. You can see now, you can see all the rice pretty much on the top. So now we're going to go over some of our frozen peas. And I've just got some chives there as well. Get them scattered out nicely. I would say another few minutes, it should be all good. So guys, that was it. That was how easy it was to cook a paella on the Kamado Joe Classic 2. I've wrapped it up in foil now because we wanted to create a little crust on the bottom. Wrapping it in foil, leaving it for 10 minutes will just loosen that, allowing you to serve it up easily. That just goes to show as well how versatile Kamado Joe is. The amount of different cooks that we've done on this barbecue is incredible. Stuff that you would just usually cook indoors, we're cooking it outside. It's a nice day, so why not? Go on BBQLAND.co.uk, check out all their deals on all their barbecues, equipment, accessories, rubs and sauces. And also check out all our other videos that we have up on YouTube and Instagram and get involved. I'll see you next time. Cheers.